Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at products that promise to elevate your beauty routine. Today, we're focusing on the PÜRcosmetics Big Look Mascara in black, a mascara that claims to not only give you longer, fuller lashes, but also nourish and hydrate them. We'll see if it lives up to those bold promises. Let's start with what this mascara is all about. It's formulated with lash lengthening fibers designed to give you that dramatic, voluminous look that many of us crave. But what really sets it apart is the inclusion of free radical fighting antioxidants, which means it's not just about aesthetics, it's about giving your lashes some TLC. Plus, it's cruelty-free and vegan, ticking all the boxes for those who prioritize ethical beauty choices. On to the application. I used this mascara in my daily routine for about a week, and right off the bat, the formula felt different. It's not overly thick or clumpy, which I appreciated, as it allowed me to build up layers without feeling weighed down. The wand is sleek, with densely packed bristles that grabbed every lash from root to tip. One thing I immediately noticed is the soft, fluttery feel it left on my lashes. It didn't dry out or feel crispy, which is a huge plus for those of us who value comfort throughout the day. In terms of performance, the mascara definitely delivered on volume, giving me fuller lashes right away. As for lengthening, it wasn't as dramatic as I hoped, but it definitely made a noticeable difference. Now let's talk about some pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is nourishing, which makes it a good choice for anyone concerned about lash health. The added antioxidants make it stand out from other mascaras in terms of offering additional benefits beyond just appearance. The soft finish and comfortable wear throughout the day are also noteworthy. However, for those looking for extreme length, this might not give you the sky-high lashes you're after. It's more about volume and fullness than length. If you're someone who loves that intense lengthening effect, you may find yourself layering on a bit more product than you'd like. When it comes to value for money, PÜRcosmetics Big Look Mascara isn't the cheapest option on the market. But considering the quality of the formula, especially with the added skincare benefits, it could be worth the price for those who want a mascara that's not just about the look, but also the health of your lashes. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels sturdy and the tube is easy to use without wasting too much product. As for longevity, I found that it held up throughout my workday without flaking or smudging, which is always a win. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are plenty of mascaras out there that offer similar volumizing effects. However, if you want a product that not only enhances your lashes, but also gives them a little extra care, this mascara stands out in that regard. To sum it up, the PÜRcosmetics Big Look Mascara is a solid choice for anyone looking for volume, nourishment, and a cruelty-free vegan formula. If extreme length is your main concern though, it may not hit all the marks. But if you're after a soft, voluminous look that's easy to wear, this is a fantastic option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box or comments for a link to purchase the mascara. Have you tried this product? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.